are some of the biggest opportunities and challenges facing growers today that you're seeing?
I love to play in the politics space. If I get called to go to Washington, D.C. or Sacramento, let's go.
Right.
Unfortunately, sometimes I get a little fired up when I'm in those places because I can't believe things move so slowly,
Right. No,
or
it's
people
true.
put the kibosh on something right away. My biggest fight is always in water. We have 5 years worth of water that falls in the state every year, even if it's a drought year.
Right.
We don't store it.
Wow.
So I want people to get smarter about that, produce energy 24 hours a day coming out the back of a dam, and have more water for people, farms, fish, family, food,
Right.
health,
Very important.
everything.
Yeah. How do you view your role in helping support growers?
So, coming from a predominantly dairy background and serving on multiple dairy related boards within the state of California and across the United States, you bring a different perspective of how boards work and in different industries. And with us going through the, like I alluded to earlier, with us going through that process of hiring a new CEO, there's this period, call it the honeymoon period, if you will, where board is getting acclimated to a new CEO is getting acclimated to a board. And so bringing new ideas and new perspectives into a new industry, being on that board, I think is quite refreshing.
Growing and maintaining membership is a big focus for APG right now. So I kind of wanted to see, how do you help potential members understand the value of being a part of the organization?
So maintaining current membership as well as growing new membership is extremely important within APG. For those that are current members, making sure they understand where the money's being invested, how it's being invested, why it's being invested for growth of marketing and American pistachio products, as well as the involvement in the government agencies, and getting regulations moved in ways that are beneficial for our industry. Now, when it comes to new membership, then it's showing where we've been, where we're at, and where we're going. And with what we've done currently within the industry, how it's improved, our ability to access new markets and be able to grow the industry as a whole. Because if we don't, with new acreage coming online, and the price, if we don't explore new markets, the price per pound will continue to decline.
Right.
And then eventually we're going to see a situation in the pistachio industry, as we've seen in other nut industries like the almond industry, the walnut industry, et cetera.
How did you see your role in supporting those growers, being that you are a grower, into the broader industry in general?
Well, in the pistachio industry, this is the only organization where there's grower input making decisions on marketing, government advocacy, and other things. So that's why it was really important, like, hey, grower input to drive decisions made by growers, because at the end of the day, we have the most vested interest in this. We're the ones who are putting our blood, sweat, and tears and our capital in here. So that's why it's really important to get involved.
I think that community in every aspect of life is vital, but much more so in agriculture, especially in this climate. It's become really vital. We do need the research, we need the advocates, and farming is a very independent aspect of a commodity, and you can be, I live on my farm and I'm alone, but we're in need of that unit of a voice, and the united voice is something we don't have. And we're just very fortunate to have APG.